Fish love boobies so much that many fishermen would like to see this fly banned. We'll start this pattern with some fluorescent yellow thread. Secure it tightly to your hook shank and snip the excess free. We will then continue wrapping into the bend of our hook. Once complete, we'll grab some chartreuse marabou, measure it to be about the size of our hook shank, and secure it to the back of the fly. Take further securing wraps up the fly, folding the marabou over, wrapping our thread to the head of the fly. Fold your marabou back over and secure it tightly in place. This will not only help further secure our marabou, but also build up a body. Snip the excess free, using your thread to cover any remaining marabou. Next, we will grab some chartreuse brassie wire. Secure this to the hook shank, wrapping back towards the tail. Return your thread to the head of the fly, and grab some pearl mylar. Once again, securing it tightly to our hook shank and wrapping back towards the tail. We will then use our thread to build up a uniformed body, finishing at the head of the fly. Next, grab your mylar and start wrapping it in closed spirals up the fly, continuing to do so until we reach our thread. At which point we will secure, taking several thread wraps over our mylar and snipping the excess free. We will then grab our chartreuse brassie wire and start to wrap this up in open spirals towards the head of our fly. Try to maintain an even distance between each wrap. Secure and helicopter the excess free. In order to add some shine and durability, we will paint over our body with some UV resin, securing it with a UV light once happy. We will now grab some black marabou, measure this to equal the length of our tail, securing it in place just behind the eye of our hook, leaving a bit of room for our next step. We will snip the excess free and lay down a thread base in order to hold our boobies in place. Grab some round boobie eyes, here I'm using chartreuse, and secure these to the head of the fly by using your thread to wrap tightly in figure 8 patterns. With the boobies secured in place, we will use our whip finisher, taking several turns to prevent the fly from falling apart. Seat the knot tightly and snip free. If you want to read more about the controversy of the boobie fly, you can check out the comments below. And if you'd like to win it, comment #flies for your chance to win this boobie fly. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.